Hello everyone, my name is Virendra Mato from Bokaro, Jharkhand. In this video, I am going to present the assignment that was given by Present Tech Solution, and I able to clear this coding assignment. So let me share this assignment. So the assignment was to build the ticket reservation system. This ticket reservation system, according to you, that means either bus ticket booking system, flight ticket booking system, or movie ticket booking system. So you can choose any one of these three systems. So I choose the bus ticket booking system. So let me share the, that means complete assignment. Then I will share you how to, that means write the code, and that means code base of our application, my application. Okay, so now, so this is landing page of my project, and here it is showing that some of the buses are available, and these buses are coming from API. That means by the admin that the buses are updated, and so by the admin updated, there is 4 bus available, and all these buses are from Ranchi to Bokaro. Okay, so if I search from Ranchi to Bokaro, so I will get these buses. Okay, Volvo buses, and of course there are 2 buses, of course, and AC. That means there is another bus which is AC bus. Okay. Now in this nav bar, it is showing the, that means the ticket booking system. This is the app name, and this is the check sheet. So we can check the directly from the sheet. And here, so this is the book system. That means ticket book ticket we can check, and these two things should be the protected. Okay, because that means without login user, we can't see the we can't add it to the cart, and also we can't book the ticket. So this should be the protected route, and this is the login and sign in path. So if I directly go to this, that means I want to see the add to the cart, so it will redirect to the login and sign in path. If the user is not login before it, so he need to the register itself before, then he can able to log in. So here I already registered, so I am going with the register credential. So gmail.com. Okay, now password should be the this. Now after login, clicking this, so I will redirect to the home page, and in home page it is showing this bus. Now if I want to, that means book this bus. Okay, this book, so I want to book this bus. Okay, so okay, now if I want to go to the check sheet, okay, so if I go to the again home page, now if I want to book this seat, so here it is showing that some of buses seats are booked, and this is the seat number 3 book, seat number. Okay, now available seat books. Now I am going to this seat number 2. Okay, I want to book this seat 2. So if I click over this, so this ticket is added to the cart. Okay, now if I go to the cart section, I can see the that means book 2 is added to the 2 times. Okay, sorry, so this was the mistake. Now I can remove from this that is cart. Now there is a, that means ticket number 2, and I can book this ticket. Okay, so here if I book this ticket, so it will add it to the cart. Now, so this ticket has been booked. Now if I go to the book ticket, and I can show that there is the, that means book Volvo, that means Ranchi to Bokaro, and AC has been booked. Okay, so if I want to cancel this, and if I go to the, that means the seat available, so we can see that seat number 2 is booked. Okay, if I go to the again book ticket, and if I want to pay, and there is a 2 option, pay and cancel. Okay, if I cancel this book ticket, So I can see that means ticket has been cancelled. And again, if I go to the check sheet, and we can see that 2 is available for now again book. Okay, so user can book again. Okay, now if I again go to the this now, so here we can cancel this ticket, okay. So if I go to the payment section, now here need to the click field, and here we need to the fill the credential of this. That means the suppose the card number. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and after that we need to fill the name. Okay, and this should be the 1 2 3. Now after clicking this, so payment is done. Now we will redirect to the home page of this our application. Yeah, so this is the application, and also here I implemented this logout part. If I click this, so I will redirect to the logout, and that means so again we need to the fill the detail and credential. So this is the that means ticket book, and if I want to show that means suppose email.com. Okay, so here Gmail 1 2 3 4 5 6, and now so I was working on this bus. So if I go to this, so suppose this seat number is booked. If I click this, so it is show that this already booked. Okay, so we can't book this seat. Okay, so this is the that means application that I submitted to the present text solution. Yeah. Now come to the code base of this application. Okay. So here, so first I implemented the backend, and after that front end. In the backend, first I want to share my code base. So I use the MongoDB for storing the data that we required. Okay. So this is the configuration file. Configuration file, I give the data connection and generate token, and I follow here the MVC structure. MVC structure is a structure which divide our logic and program in such way that our application it execute smoothly and look like very easy to understand by any developer. Okay, so these are the, so here I did the connection to the Mongo Atlas. Okay, I use the Mongo Atlas. Now here controller, and this is the middleware. Middleware, I build two middleware. One is the authentication middleware, and second is the error handling middleware. In error handling middleware, there are two handlers. Okay, one, suppose I search the different API request that was not built, so it is so the response that is this URL is not found. And next, if there is any error found, so this pop-up message will occur. Okay, now come to the model. So there are two type of model. One is the this model and this model. Okay, so this is the book ticket model, and book ticket model has the user ID and bus ID both, and these are the, that means I build the relationship with the user, and here I build the relationship with the bus. Now seat number should be the number, and it is so that it is paid or not. By the default, it should be the false. Okay. Now bus, so this is used for the buses abbreviation, and from, that means name bus of noun, from to city, price, and what is the seat number object. This is the list of the seats. Okay. Now cart model, again it is the, we need the user ID and bus ID, and after that seat number. And this is the user model, user number, email, password, and this is all about, that means I use here to build in this application. Now routes, one is the first is the auth routes for the login and registration purpose. Okay. Now, so this is the bus routes. in this bus route, I am creating the bus, searching the bus, and search by ID. That is for the particular bus. Okay. Now this is the book routes. In the book routes, we need the authentication. Okay. So here I did the authentication to the all the book for cancel the ticket, book the ticket. Okay. Get the book ticket and get all the book ticket. Okay. Now come to the cart routes. In this is the cart routes, and also cart routes should be that means protected. So we need to the authentication for adding to the cart into the cancel. Here we can see the get all the carts, and we can add to the cart, and we can also remove from the cart. Okay. So here and also one the build the util function which helps to creating the seat number of the bus. Okay. So yeah, this is that means we required for building this application. Yeah, thank you.